Yep.
Load your
And I loaded plan. And before I give the player who has control of Alpha 1 tree, please move it with Alpha 1 and Hotel 2 and Hotel 2-2 and Hotel 2-1, please move behind Alpha 1 now.
Wait, now it confused me. You want Alpha 1 free to go back to the Alpha 1 platoon?
Yeah, Alpha 1 tree is with you. I'll be moving whole Hotel 2 away from that left side of the opening to fight with you.
Okay.
Hotel 2 will now be attached to Alpha 1 for this.
So Hotel 2, the player who owns Hotel 2, please move behind for 1 on the right side of your battle position.
That's why back and Silverboys.
You know, I'm sort of off balance with forward observer and our artillery. I've got 3 forward observers and 2 mortars.
Robek, sorry, I didn't got it. Where do I have to move it?
3 clicks east of your current position behind Alpha 1 battle position.
Okay, Roger.
It's along Axis 5 near Hill 81.
Okay, while we wait for Hotel 2 to be deployed to its original position, or the correct position, I'll be giving the brief. Okay, welcome guys, and let's have a fight. The enemy we're suspected to be attacking to our AOR is an approximately battalion-sized force attacking north from the Taurage city. They will be using equipment such as T-72 model 2012, BMP-2s, BTR-80s and ATGM teams. There has also been evidences of special forces that has been sighted in our AOR. The axis of attacks that I believe the enemy will be using are visible on your map. The main axis will be axis 1, axis 2 and axis 3. And there's also those 2 flank threats, axis 4 and axis 5. The enemy will most probably use covered terrain to attack along this axis, so don't expect them to be just riding on the open ground, but using the forested areas and hills between those axes. Okay, our own force consists of Foxtrot 1, Foxtrot 2 tank platoons, Delta 3 Alpha 1, mechanized infantry platoons, 2 ATGM platoons, engineers, mortars and supply forces. Our mission is to conduct an area defense between Faceline Tulip and Faceline Rose. Our tasks is 1. Defend the towns of Kryskalnis and Grinal. 2. Deny enemy use of Road 1. 3. Minimize friendly losses. And 4. Withdraw if necessary. I intend to do this in 3 phases. First will be to establish an engagement area at Faceline Daisy, engagement areas First Blood and X-Ray, with Foxtrot 1, Alpha 1 and Hotel 2, while Foxtrot 2 and Delta 1 cover our right flank. We will disengage and take up positions at Faceline Tulip when the enemy passes Faceline Daisy. Phase 2, we will conduct an area defense of Kryskalnis with all platoons. And phase 3 will be to prepare to disengage and delay the enemy to Faceline Rose, set up hasty defense at Faceline Rose and deny enemy control of town of Grinai. Some of the tasks for the units has changed from the warning order that you guys might have received earlier, so listen up closely. Foxtrot 1, establish battle position at Faceline Tulip, engage enemy at engagement area First Blood and be prepared to move to Foxtrot 1 kilo battle position. Foxtrot 2, establish battle position at Faceline Tulip, engage enemy at engagement area X-Ray and be prepared to move to Foxtrot 2 kilo. And guys, if you zoom out from the map you can see all these texts that I'm reading to you. Delta 3, establish battle position at Faceline Tulip. Be prepared to disengage to Faceline Rose. Seer 1, set up OPs at Faceline Daisy and Tulip, overwatching the flanks. Be prepared to disengage to Faceline Rose on order. Delta 1, establish battle position at Faceline Tulip, engage enemy tanks at engagement area X-ray, and be prepared to move to Delta 1 Kilo. Echo 1, in place obstacles at the engagement area Slowbow, and be prepared to clear mines in the AOR. And then Alpha 1, including Hotel 2, establish a battle position at Faceline Daisy, defend Hill 8-1, and be prepared to counterattack towards engagement area Slowbow. Then a few instructions, coordination instructions. First of all, remember to jockey on your battle positions, so change battle positions when firing, and when the enemy has spotted you. The battle positions marked on the map are only intent graphics, so use the terrain according. Evade the enemy indirect fires. They will be using a lot of them, I suspect, and don't get killed with those indirect fires. Watch and beware of your flanks, so have your units also overwatching your flanks, and especially those flank threats routes. Request indirect fires directly from the FO, which is Sabot, and use those. Don't only concentrate your direct fires on the enemy, but also use indirect fires. And the main point in all of this mission is to avoid friendly casualties, because this is supposed to be the first mission of a long series of missions, and if we get killed and destroyed, lose every own vehicle, it's gonna be one hell of a series of missions from this point on. Okay, that's about it. Any questions?